Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to recovering a deleted Windows boot partition in Windows. Boot with Windows bootable CD or USB. Check repair my PC. Click troubleshoot, click command prompt. Type disk part, type list disk. Select disk 0. Type list volume. No system volume. Type list part, no system partition is there. Type create part EFI size equal to 1025. If any error, select primary partition. Type shrink desired equal to 1024. Now create EFI partition. System partition is created successfully. Format space, FS equal to FAT32 quick. Type assign letter equal to M. Find Windows installed drive letter, in my case Windows installed drive letter is C. Type BCD boot space, Windows installed drive letter colon /Windows space, /S space, assigned drive letter colon space, /f space, UEFI. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.